How to redeem McDonald's gift card codes. The very first thing, you want to make sure that the application McDonald's is already installed on the device. If not, you can easily get it from your app store. Once the application has been installed on your device, open it. Enter your login credential and then sign in to your specific account. Head over to More at the bottom right corner. Well, over here you can see there is no any option where it says gift card. Well, if you move into any other options, then also you won't be able to find the gift card option. Well, which means that it is impossible to add a gift card on McDonald's app. Well, about the gift card, some of the applications might not be compatible to add the gift card, or they do not update the feature where you'll be able to add the gift card. Well, if you can't see any of the option, then what you want to do is directly contact the McDonald's support. Have the conversation with them and then state the problem that you have been facing on McDonald's. Within 24 hours, they will definitely come up with some solution for you, and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can redeem McDonald's gift card code. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.